Pre-cut aluminum foil sheets. Made from 100% aluminum, these foil sheets are pre-cut for convenience. No cutting, folding or tearing required. Hair foils for color application. These foil sheets feature an embossed design that helps hair to better grip the foil during hair color application and highlighting services. The durable sheets bend to any shape without compromising the integrity of the service. Foil sheets for food. Foil sheets are safe for wrapping food, such as sandwiches, hot dogs, burgers and baked potatoes. Also great for use in air fryers, restaurants, catering, concession stands, school cafeterias and at-home food preparation. Aluminum foil dispenser. Aluminum foil sheets come in a convenient pop-up foil dispenser box that dispenses one sheet at a time. Rose embossed foil sheets. Rose color adds a touch of elegance for all applications and uses. Each foil sheet measures 5 inches W by 10.75 L. Includes 500 foil sheets per box. ForPro Professional Collection. Vivid embossed foil sheets. Foil sheets are made from 100% aluminum and feature an embossed design that helps hair to better grip the foil. The durable foil sheets bend to any shape without compromising the integrity of the service. The diamond embossed design helps to get a better grip and prevents slippage during hair color application and highlighting services. The vivid color of the foils help add a touch of elegance to all applications and uses. Strictly sized for hair foiling. Convenient pop-up dispenser box. Great for hair color application and highlighting. Multi-purpose use. Dimensions: 5 inches W by 10.75 L. Each pack consists of 500 sheets. Available in rose or celestial colors. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful color foil sheet. I use the ForPro foil sheets all the time and was so happy to try the new Vivid Rose sheets. Same great quality and love the color, so much fun.